Hey guys, what's up? I just wanted to do a part 2 of this video to the Wacaco coffee maker. I'm on the road traveling with my wife, and you've seen this so far, and I just wanted to give it a little bit of time before I did this second part showing how it's made and how easy it is while you're traveling. And so far I've been very impressed. So right now we're at the Madara out in Las Vegas, and we're finishing up our trip, but definitely in the morning we want to make some coffee, so I just wanted to take you through how a cup of coffee is made and show you how easy it is. Today we have the Nespresso. What flavor? Dark Con. And it uses the same Nespresso capsules, just like anything else that's Nespresso. Just to show you. And I'm going to go ahead and let the water run to the hot side for a minute. And while I do that, the bottom half, you can get two different sizes of cups. One, this is the standard size, or for the shot, and there's one that's longer for the lungo shot, and you just undo this. This is where your water goes into, and the top side, if you don't have a cup, this is where your drinking side goes into, so that you can have your cup and have it on the go. You just unscrew this top part from the barrel, and right here you'll see a little waffle item. Might be hard to see, and then over here you have your hole for your pod to go into, and I just push it down and it punches into the little perforations in the bottom. I put this back on the top, and you screw it down. This is your piston that you will use to physically push and prime and pump the system. So let's go ahead and see. Got our coffee cup here. It only makes a shot, so it's only going to go to about right here. But we'll go ahead and do it. And let's go ahead and get the water in. Now that everything is in here, we had the water in the bottom, we had the pump and the pod in the top, nothing leaks. You just flip it upside down and you hold it and you just pump it a couple times. Wow, yeah, and it's not that hard to push, and once you're done, just kind of get rid of it, and let's see what the final product looks like for you. And right here you have a shot of espresso. It's definitely cheaper than going to Starbucks, and it's great to have while on the road and traveling. Alright guys, I just wanted to show you this other part of the video while we're traveling so that you can see how easy it is. And if you like the product, go on to WAC wacaco.com, and they do ship from, I believe it's Asia, but the shipping time is ridiculously fast. We got this item after we ordered it in maybe 3 to 4 days, and this is called the Minipresso NS. Alright guys, if you liked the video, give it a thumbs up, comment if you have one, and subscribe for more content. Talk to ya.